Hello, boys and girls. This is a tutorial on how to do editing to text on Pixlr E. Okay, so here's the website. This is a free website. All the features are free. You just have pop-ups and advertisements occasionally. What's great about Pixlr E is that it does save your work in a temporary file. So as you can see, it saves a lot of work that I've had from previous year of virtual instruction. You have to make sure you're in Pixlr E. I will be posting a link so that's easy to access. It says it right here. If you click here, it shows you different programs that they allow you to use as well that are free. Okay, so let's start. What do we do to open up a document? They changed a few things from last year, so I'm going to explain where the things are different. Okay, so we're going to do new, create new, only if you're making a new document. So they used to have less of these buttons. Now it's all in a skinny little screen. So what things changed is that there's no way to change the color of your background right here. So it's a different location. So we're going to pick a size that will work for our project right now, which is going to be graphic lettering. You're going to pick the same word that you chose for your drawing assignment, and you're going to start with that. So right now it shows you different size papers. If you go to photo, it shows landscape 8 by 10. Okay, that is a good landscape or portrait. All right, it gives you a nice resolution. I'm going to do landscape because it gives you more space. I'm going to title it Graphic Lettering Lesson. Okay, you don't touch any of these numbers here. You create. Now you have no white background or whatever background you need. You would click the page. You go to page background. This is where you change the color. You click white and apply. Okay. The next most important thing to do is to click the text button. Okay, it tells you text when you put your mouse over it. If you have a computer mouse, it'll be more helpful for you than using the touchpad on your computer. You click it and you will click again. It says, do you want to add a text layer? You click add. Okay, whatever you type is going to show up here. These are your layers. Layer number 1 is the background. You can always label it background after you finish typing your word. So let's use art. Okay, so I'm going to make art in capital. Okay, you can change the size right here by just clicking the size as big as you need it to be. And you can also move it by dragging the word. Can you change the size more? Probably yes. Okay, this is zooming in if you roll the little button on the mouse, but that's not changing the size. So you would have to highlight it, and you could type in a number here. Say you want 2,000. Or it doesn't let you do it. Okay, so that's good to know. Photoshop's a lot different when it comes to resizing things. It gives you no limit on size. So unfortunately, with Pixlr E, it does give you a limit. So what do we do in that situation? Well, we can crop the paper and make it fit better. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Cropping is right here. You would just pull down the sides and you would make the page fit better on the word. Okay, so whatever design you want for your word, you would just crop the paper down so you could see that it's now fitting the page better, right? You could still do things to the word by moving it. All right, so anyway, how do we change the color? We click on the word again. You want to be in the text option, and you click on fill, and up here there's pattern, and you could change the pattern, but you must change the color also because it does not change it unless you have the color picked. And then you go back and you'll see that the letters change. All right. So if you have any questions, please leave a private comment. That's all you have to do for your assignment is to change the color, change the background of the text. Not the background, but the design details. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.